On the day of your installation, your BOXT installer will arrive between 7:30 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. They will say hello and talk you through the job so you know what's going on and can ask any questions you might have. If you know of any leaks and radiators that don't work, you should let your installer know. Our installers are clean and tidy. They will put dust sheets down to protect your floors and carpets. Next, they'll remove the old boiler, which we'll take away to be recycled. Your new boiler will arrive by courier between 7:30 a.m. and 9:30 a.m. Often, this goes straight onto the wall. Given that every installation is different, the pipework will sometimes need upgrading, or the flue might need to change position. Don't worry, this is all included in your fixed price from BOXT. Our installer will then flush the heating system with a Magna Cleanse machine to remove any debris in existing pipes and radiators. The relevant safety, electrical and gas safety checks will be performed. When the boiler and new flue are fitted and tested, we'll then make sure your radiators and all other gas appliances are working. We'll set up your thermostat and take the time to talk you through the controls and explain how everything works. Our installers will tidy up after the work is completed, leaving you to enjoy your shiny new A-rated boiler. Don't worry about any of the paperwork, we'll automatically set up the boiler warranty for you with the manufacturer. We'll then register the job with GasSafe and a building control certificate will follow in the post a few weeks later. If you have any issues after your boiler has been installed, we're only a phone call away.